What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the OPPO Find X2 Pro against the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. So we have the new Snapdragon 865 versus the Exynos 990. Both of the phones have 12 gigabytes of RAM and they have a heavily skinned version of Android. Which one of these phones will win? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the OPPO Find X2 Pro. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display, it's on Android 10, it has the new Snapdragon 865 CPU and the Adreno 650 GPU and 12 gigabytes of RAM. Then we have the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display, it's on Android 10, it has the Exynos 990 CPU and the Mali G77 GPU and also 12 gigabytes of RAM. Just before running the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the OPPO Find X2 Pro wins by 5 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the scores are tied at 15 points each. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the OPPO Find X2 Pro won by 5 points. In round 2, the scores were tied at 15 points each, and the difference here is negligible. As for the price difference, right now there is no official pricing for the OPPO Find X2 Pro in the UK, but it is anticipated to be around the £1,100 mark, and I will update the video description as soon as the pricing is available. Moving on to the specs, the OPPO Find X2 Pro has the better Snapdragon 865 CPU, a massive 512GB of internal storage, a Quad HD AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, a slightly smaller 4260 mAh battery, an amazing 65W fast charging, which is more than double that of the Galaxy S20 Plus. Now, saying that, the Galaxy S20 Plus is still a very solid phone. It also has a Quad HD AMOLED display, but 120Hz is locked at 1080p. It does have the slightly bigger battery, and the storage is expandable by micro SD card. As for which phone to buy, personally I am leaning towards the OPPO Find X2 Pro, and I feel it is the better phone overall. So what did you think of this speed test comparison? Do you own or plan to buy either of these phones? Do let me know in the comment section. Now, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. There will be camera comparisons and benchmarks, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.